So three big takeaways from the state election results today. Number one, exit polls can go horribly wrong. People tend to think that exit polls have a far greater accuracy than the other poll predictions or projections that are done earlier. Look what happened in Chhattisgarh. No one had predicted that the BJP will dislodge the incumbent there in Chhattisgarh, and that has happened. Number two, the north-south divide. It is very clear that north of India's all the three states, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, has voted for the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP is thumping back to power in these three states. In fact, in two states, it has dislodged the incumbent. In Rajasthan, where it is predictable, where, it's a pendulum. It goes one way one time, the other way the other time. But there, Chhattisgarh, of course, like I said, was a bit of a surprise. Madhya Pradesh, the margin with which the BJP has won the state is a bit of a surprise. And number three, what does it say? What does it indicate for 2024 Lok Sabha elections? I think it's getting more and more predictable. If we simply go by the north-south divide, there are far more seats north of the Vindhyas than there are in the south. And going simply by that logic, even though, of course, let's give it where credit is due, Telangana has been won decisively by the Congress party. So the party is gaining ground in the south, or rather gaining lost ground in the south, as it did in Karnataka and now in Telangana. But it has a lot more ground to cover if it wants to be of any consequence in 2024. What happens to the India alliance? We'll have to wait and see. But very interesting results, fascinating indeed.